In this tutorial, I'll show you how to flatten a PDF using Nitro PDF Pro. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got this particular PDF here and I'll just double click on it. And this is more or less a PDF that you can edit and all that. Flattening a PDF essentially means that you want the layers or the contents not to be changed or edited by anyone. So that's the text, the comments, the images, etc. So we're going to be using Nitro Pro PDF or Nitro PDF Pro for this. I'm just going to right click on it and just click on open with Nitro PDF Pro right there. And once we open, these are PDF. I can actually just resize it slightly. And if I can kind of look at it from here by clicking on edit, it's possible to edit the text, contents, the images, more or less what you want to do. So you can change the title, you can make it like what, depending on your use case scenario. Let's just leave it as it is right there. But to flatten all these PDF pages, all you need to do is just go to File, Save As, and then from this section right here, just click on the drop down, click on Flattened PDF, and then select the folder where you want to save it, and then title it what you want, Flattened PDF dash Nitro. Click on Save, and if I go back to my folder, we have a new file here that's been flattened. Just double click on it right here, and you can see it's not possible to kind of do some selections on it right there because it's been flattened. All the layers are more or less flattened, and that is how you can use Nitro Pro PDF to easily flatten a PDF. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.